Hey once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey look me, it's an interesting video about oh what the fuck. Hey guys, it's an interesting video about the sperms. It's an interesting topic. It's take sometimes of a glass of sperms of me. In this video, we are refrigerating it. We are refrigerate it to eyes. What the things that happen to it. We observe. It's an interesting video about for you guys. You must watch this video. Okay, when we are going to make it to the refrigerant for all of your excitement, what is the things that came to it. So all of you, welcome back to my another video. So let's go to the refrigerant. Okay guys, we are making this to the refrigerator. It's interesting that what the it's a reality, it's a small price for knowing what the changes that we make in it for experience my viewers. Also it will be connecting for commercial not purpose. It's very interesting topic. So as a fun we're doing, as a fun we are calling high as refrigerant. So we increase the volume of snow refrigerant heat the refrigerant also. So guys, after 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, let us now clear about it. I will take it to back. It will be freeze to frozen as cold, so we can watch what the changes that came to it. So we can bake to our projects company store. Okay, guys, it will be interesting. Guys, we are going to change what the changes we are to indicate what the changes that came to it. For this, it will be like good. Oh, guys, shit, guys, it will be fold in the floor, guys. So we fit a matchbox stick box to prevent the water filling it. So we are fixing it. So guys, it's no change, but strong guys. It's very hard, very hardly stick. It's how lot like a rubber. It's very hard, guys. Oh guys, it's the we have. It's really interesting. Guys, no way off. I don't like this. Guys, we are facing here's a comedy part, guys. It will fall to the floor, guys. Oh shit. It's guys. Oh guys, it's fun, guys. Oh shit, guys. It's it fall to it, guys. What happened? What to do, guys? It's very interesting, guys. It's very so guys. It's fully wasted, guys. Now we go to outside for guys for more experience. Guys, we can spray in the floor, guys. We can wash. When it's frozen, it will be common like thing that guys. It's bought like ice spaghetti game, guys. So thanks for watching. This is a short time experience experiment, guys. So all of you will like my video. See you guys. Watch your next video.